AlgoBox Masher strategy, designed to help traders identify high-probability reversal zones using the MACD chart. The Masher strategy is a filtering tool that works on the MACD chart. It helps identify potential reversals by marking key deviation lines, levels where price previously made a significant turn. Locate deviation lines. They mark areas of past major pivots. 2. Wait for price to return to one of these levels. 3. Check the MACD histogram. If it aligns with a deviation line, a reversal may be setting up. Once price reaches a deviation line, what's next? The next step in the order of operations is to use ripple charts for confirmation, ensuring the best possible entry for a reversal trade. Hope you enjoyed this breakdown. I'll see you in the next video.